Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change your theme on Android. I will show you an example on Xiaomi. So for doing this you just need to open settings, and in settings you will find here themes. So just open it, and here you will find different categories. So just click on categories, and here you can also choose different theme you like. Here you can see that also some of the theme are free, and some of them are premium, so you need to pay for them. So for example, I will choose one of this theme. For example, let's choose some. So for example, this iPhone theme. So just click on it and wait after it will rebuild your system. So just click free. So now it will be in style of iOS 10. So let's click apply, and it will change your theme to this theme. So now let's check. So here you can see that it successfully changed to this theme. Here you can see how it looks. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.